So you've probably heard about AI side hustles everywhere, but let us be honest, most of them are just fluff. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 real AI side hustles that are actually working in 2025. No BS, no fake, get-rich-quick schemes. These are methods real people are using right now to make passive income or start smart side projects. And here's the best part: you don't need coding skills or a tech degree to start. Let's dive in. Side Hustle 1. AI-powered affiliate websites. Affiliate marketing is not new, but AI just changed the game. Here's how: use Perplexity AI or ChatGPT 4o to research low-competition affiliate niches. Build a simple blog using Frame or WordPress with AI builders, or even Doric. These tools build websites for you in minutes. Use Content at Scale or Koala Writer to generate SEO blogs that actually rank on Google. Plug in affiliate links from Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact. How much can you make? People are earning anywhere from $200 to $2,000 per month once the content ranks. The beauty? It's mostly passive after the first setup. Side Hustle 2. AI trading bots. Crypto isn't dead. It's evolving. Here's the smart way people are using AI to trade. Use platforms like 3Commas, Pionix, or Bitscap to set up AI-powered trading bots. These bots automate trades based on market signals, no manual work needed. Start small. Use demo mode first. Once you learn the patterns, you can let the bot trade small amounts of Bitcoin or stablecoins like USDT. Real talk, this isn't guaranteed profit, but many users report 5% to 10% monthly returns when done carefully. Side Hustle 3. AI course creation. If you know something valuable, teach it with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT to script lessons, Hagon or Pictory for AI-generated video, teachers Kajabi or Gumroad to sell the course. Example niches: how to use Midjourney, beginner crypto, or even AI for small business owners. Some creators are making $500 to $5,000 per month, selling microcourses with no video editing needed. Side Hustle 4. AI-generated faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are booming, and AI makes it easier than ever. Here's the process. Use ChatGPT to script videos. Use 11 Labs or 11 Vox for realistic voiceovers. Use Pictory AI or Runway to generate visuals. Upload shorts and long-form videos to grow fast. Monetization comes from YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsors. Many people are hitting $1,000 per month after just 60 to 90 days. Side Hustle 5. AI-powered freelancing. Even if you're broke, AI freelancing can get you started. Use Magic Write to create copy. Use Canva AI to design graphics. Use VoiceMaker AI to generate ads or voiceovers. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra. Many freelancers are charging $50 to $100 per project using AI tools to cut the work in half. Narrator. So, there you go. 5 real AI side hustles that are working right now. Start small, test it, then scale up. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Pick one. If you want step-by-step tutorials for any of these, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to earn smarter, not harder. This is Byte, turning digital time into financial freedom. See you in the next one.